morning, student. Now, what class? It is English class. What we are going to read from the book Phoning and Spelling. What? Words that begin with D. I have done yesterday. Today again revision. Okay? So, take out your book and this is the page. Page number 22. What you will read? You are going to read words that start with what? D. D for you know very well. D for dog. Yes or no? The first word you write D for dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay. Next word, what it is given? D-A-D, dad. What? Next word, D-A-D, dad. See? D-A-D, dad, D-O-G, dog. Then, D-I-G, dig. Okay. Next one, D-I-G, dig. Okay. Then next one, D-O-T, dot. What it is? D-O-T, dot. Okay. Then here it is written, you have to read, dot the dog digs the dirt. Okay, dot you have done, dog you have done, dig you have done, dirt. D-I-R-T, dirt. Okay, this is dirt. Understand? One more word I am saying. D-U-C-K, duck. Everybody know? D-U-C-K, duck. Okay. Then anything else? Learn this. You know very well. Small words. Okay. Then page number 23. What it is written? Words that begin with C, D, H, M, R. Okay. Wait. I'm showing you. Words that begin with C, D, M, R and H. Okay. C, D, M, R, H. So what is the first word given? Dash, O, G. What will be here? D, O, G, dog. D, O, G, dog. Next, the second missing letter. Dash, A, T. What will be here? C. C-A-T, cat. Their picture is given now. C-A-T, cat. Okay. Then dash A-T. Again it is given dash A-T. What it will be? By seeing the picture, H-A-T. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Okay. Next picture. Again it is given A-T. Again it is given 80. Then what will be the next? It will be R. See the picture. Okay, it will be R-A-T. Rat. It will be R-A-T. Rat. Okay. Next. Dash O-P. What O-P? M-O-P. Mop. See the picture. M-O-P. Mop. Understand? Picture also given, and sometime no picture will be given. You can do the missing letters now. Now you have practiced so much, so you can do these missing letters. Understand? D words and the words that start with C, D, H, M, R. You should learn. Okay? Next, come to our cursive letter. In cursive letter, what I have teach? So many letters now. So many letters I have teach you. What is the first letter I have teach you? We will practice. See here. First one, what you have done? Capital letter I am going to do. First one, this is a A. Okay? You have done A. Then B. You have done this B. Another type of B, what you have done? From here to here. Then from here you will do like this. Then this is also a B. Okay. Then you have done C. How? I have teach you like this. Yes or no? And another type is from here you will pick, and from here you will go and do. This is also a C. Okay. Then D. I have teach you this D. Understand? And what in your book is there? Another type of D? You will bring, you will not put inside. This is a D. Okay. So today we are going to learn how to write capital letter E. How we will write? First let me draw the 4 lines. Capital letter E. You will start with the second line. This you take, then round like this, then from here this. This is E. Again C. From here you do like this and it become E. Okay. Again you see from this line to this line, you will do it become E. Okay. Capital letter E. How you write in normal? You write this E. But in cursive, how you will write? You will write this one. Understand? You write 3 now. It is opposite of 3. Okay. So how you will write? You will write like this. This is capital letter E. Okay, you are going to write in your cursive book capital letter E. Understand? So, today what I have teach? Word that start with D and some missing letter in which there will be D, C, H, M, R. Learn this and practice how to write capital letter E. Okay? So, thank you students.